Welcome back, guys. We are going to be opening more boxes. So last one we had was the Crimson King. I am going to do the movie pack gold edition. No, I don't think these are... This is not a deck. I think these are just packs. I have more decks, but it's going to take a while. I'm starting to get tired. I think I've been recording for an hour. Anyways, should probably open these boxes more carefully to preserve them. Okay, I think this one's going to be a very short video because I only have one of those. So, looks like we got 1, 2, 3 small packs and I think 1 or 2 cards. So, 2 cards in the back are a... Whoa, I can't even read. These look pretty rare, because I can't read what they say. Is that Duza the Meteor Cubic Vessel? And a Blue Eyes White Dragon. It's very interesting. Does anyone know how rare these cards are? I see they're limited edition, but I don't know if they're like super rare. And they're promo cards, maybe they're not that rare. I don't remember how much that pack costs. Anyways, onto the 3 packs. Wow, I guess they're not that rare. Wait. This is a different card. Wait, these are all gold. Okay. I don't think you're going to be able to read the name on them because I can barely read them. Blue Eyes, Alternative White Dragon. Then we have the Chocolate Magician Girl. Kaiser Vorse Raider? I cannot read these names. Vulcan Dragony, the Cubic King. And I know those aren't Swords of Revealing Lights. Spiritual Swords of Revealing Lights. Okay, next time we have Dimension Guardian, Dig of Destiny. Then we have Blade, the Cubic Beast, something. Cubic Beast again. And then we have a Neo Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. I don't know. I don't know if any of these cards are rare. If they're gold edition cards, all cards are gold. So I don't know if any of these are rare. We have, what is that? Cubic Seed or something like Cubic Wave. Dark something Cubic Beast. Dark Magician Veil. And a something Cubic Lord? Something. I don't know, these things are really hard to see. So, for anybody that knows what most of these cards are these like actually rare or they consider just normal cards for the pack? because these look very shiny compared to these. So I don't know if these are like really rare or they're just promo cards. So if anybody knows, please let me know. Other than that, that was the, what was it? Movie Pack Gold Edition. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll continue opening more cards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.